record. Okay, sure. And for the use case diagram, we need to follow steps, identify all the stakeholders and users will benefit by seeing the use case diagram. So probably that means that all the possible end user going to see, determine which what each stakeholder or user needs to review in the use case diagram. Each subsystem or like each type of user for the use case. Okay, and for each potential communication need, then select the use case and actor to show and draw the use case. So it makes sure based on the assignment question, project questions, and draw the case. And that's it. And carefully name each case diagram. So careful naming just like makes sense. Word and none. Okay. And what is a certain action and what you're going to do. So refer to the example. I don't think it's difficult. It's just like daily life, do something. Okay. And when the diagram should be used to review use case for stakeholder and users right here. So we quickly rush to cover the user diagram and then the UML. So we always like asking for in the previous, we try to cover to get the requirement. We spend like several chapters to talk about getting requirement. We can do the questionnaire and do it. And after that, then based on the questionnaire, what they need, then we will start to prepare the document is about how they actually use the system. So we will have a use case. So we have a table create, and after we create, we also need the diagram to showing the relationship between the different end user. And sometimes we will share those function, the use case, then we need to draw like under the boundary. So let's say we have a self system. Under self system, those end user will be like share those use case. Then you can draw the line. So if there are some included function, like let's say the steps, if I add to cart, but if you remember when we click on like your cart, and then you can click on the product, it will also redirect to the product again. And then you can like put the comments, anything. So all this, I think it's just common sense, right? All this, right? Common sense. And quickly and cover all this. And today I just try to like have a discussion and then maybe let you also draw some user diagram. So you can like, if you're no draw or something. Okay, so here is the scenario. So you would design really simple online library management system. And this system should allow users to search book, borrow books, and return books. So librarians should able to manage book inventory and track the book. Okay. So here we'll give you the requirements, like have a functional requirement. So users should able search by the title of the this, and then they can borrow return books. And also you can add a new book, remove book, and view the list of like list all the book you already list, or like sometimes unborrowed, so still okay. Non-functional should be like access through the web interface, and also should be secure and with the some like checking. Okay, and right here I give you some example before you go into it. Then based on this, just like give you some time to think about it, how to draw the use, like start with the use case. And then after you finish the use case, to draw the diagram. Oh, this is not the due on the assignment. So this one is just in the class to let you like knowing, just like have something to do instead just looking for some example. I wish you have something like doing in the class or no. Okay, if I give all this requirement, because we are not really doing like making a questionnaire, ask for what the user need. If I give you the like background scenario like this, how would you draw the user diagram? Yeah, or like list all the use case. So based on this one, So you can try to like cover exercise. I give it some times, and then I will ask for some volunteer to tell me how would you like have maybe some use case enjoy. Yeah, I will give you some time so you can work on it. Yeah. Oh, you can do it in your own. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're welcome to discuss. Yeah, because this one is just like in here. It's just like for the exercise. So instead of like go through the theory, so you have something really like practical. So I let you to doing something. So I will like. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah. Let me check. Yeah, sometimes when I receive so many emails one day, so it may be synced. Okay, you can send it to me and then I.
It does seem all right.
Yeah. Yes. Usually, yes.
So I just want to make sure.
Yeah, because so I think yeah, because when I check the mail, it doesn't come up.
Sometimes it's an update.
Yeah, in the update, but I search it, it comes out. Okay, so in case it doesn't really, I didn't reply to you, probably it really doesn't come out. So okay, just let me know. Or like if I didn't reply you within 2 days, maybe.
Yeah, it's too busy. That's why I was asking if next week.
Next week, yeah,
Thursday.
sure, yeah, sure,
That's why I
yeah.
said,
Okay, sure.
that sounds good.
Okay, okay. Okay, yeah. Because in the exercise, if you look at E1, I will give you some actor possible actor and some use case, but try not to look at it. Like try to think about it by yourself first and then listen and enjoy. If really have no idea, just go. Yeah. And you can put more than what you think. Yeah. If you're able to think like other use case, then you can also add in yours. After you're almost ready, then I will ask like maybe each of one that come out and then write down the one use case and then add the end user. So draw the use case diagram. How many of you already finished the use case? Okay, good. So you can, I'll join the use case diagram. Okay, so but if you like almost ready, like finish the use diagram, so I would like to invite like maybe some of you like just put down one use case and then draw the relationship, yeah, with the end user. How do you think? Because right now the possible end user would be the librarian and then just the customer. Only two of them, so only two actors. So maybe I give you 4 minutes more, then I will take in terms. Yep. So the second I did my okay. And then you will see because right now our scenario is on we have maybe user because then we can go and also we have the actually yeah, this is so this okay. So this is so the user will waste time we don't have to we're looking at and about the active we have and using or that yes and in the system if you remember we have put the boundary so we put the boundary with the rectangle rectangle pocket inside. So that was like okay within this system. So what type of use case is when you have a slideshow? There you go. So what is within the use case? Yes, some of them.
So we have an example of things we have.
Used by the.
Pretty much.
Some of them, they are the-
So different actors, but of course it has to be.
Yes, yeah, some of it is big, some of it like you can put it along with the different active groups. So, it's all, some investments in.
But it's like two different things. So, for example. That's what
You have to look at this.
it's part of the library and naturally, like,
So we use these things, some just visual message. Like you do the class. And you remember when the Bible is right, so the Bible is the signature set.
Because he said engaging is really fun. He's like, that technically works.
I see like.
I said, yeah, no, I do that. He's like, yeah.
Like, I do that and then I go back. About 15 minutes of presentation.
I don't know.
We haven't tried it like that.
Yeah, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah. It's like, it's like they. And then. Which is awesome.
And. Right, it was still scenario, they can create a goal, maybe for. I would give you that, then you have to follow the challenge. So then you actually have to try it, sometimes maybe for 100%. Overall, maybe, actually makes the challenge a little more. Special.
Yeah. This is the one. Oh.
We did it.
I know what it is.
Okay, for assignments, I have okay, super project. So we can put the use case and something they also let them share. And we, if you remember, actually try to keep it down. So the notes. Okay, so currently we always just put the. So all this use case is under this.
Yeah.
But it's for intro, we always put also use in the second item. Okay, vertical and different share or any. If I multiple systems, so that if I have another system, maybe only the maybe the okay, let's say I give you another situation, so you have another system, say, so you can. Yeah, so they can add those. Common sense, they didn't look in the yeah. Really just think about it. And also, yeah, so if I want to and this I can see on right here. Okay, I think, yeah. So, is the boundary. So, okay, here is the URL. So one of the use case diagram. So use case diagram. Just like the here is the I think but I think some share this one is very important. That's the basically this one like it's sending so we have to add this. So like it's in our use diagram. So we do not understand. So here's a language that got announced or how to do it. And I think it also share certain functions. Let's say user can share searchable. The library is searchable. Use case. Yes, then we will share the event.
No, I'm gonna shoot story last night.
What's mine?
So when they share certain, because they, of course, there are certain use cases, we offer that for other things. For people pay. So. Any volunteer to willing to share your design or like invite one, putting one case? The first one, I would like to put some end user and first use case. Any volunteer? Yeah, if you want, yeah, try. Yeah, you can just like put the two actors. That means the end users and then one use case. And then draw it on the ball. Yeah, yes. So and I will invite others, other students to like add other use case. Okay, so you can pick any use case you want to pick. Just one use case, yeah. One use case. So if we have the forms got verb and noun, so what kinds of?
I didn't mind it. I was
It's also.
Okay.
Thank you. So here's will be our first use case and what else? Second. Any? On the Evermore. Yeah, it's the Evermore use case. I'm just trying to read it. Read it. This one is the
It pretty much says what the search function.
yeah, so this one is the search the book. Okay. So what the second? Evermore use case? And what's the second use case? Yeah.
Can do another one.
Yeah, yeah. And or okay, I increase the difficulty. So only one use case for library. Okay, so this one is the only librarian can do is add the book. Okay, and okay, good. And if you okay, then give one is only user. Only user. So here will be the it's the use diagram. So you say the use case is right here, and then use diagram, and we still will need one more things to make a complete use diagram. So what are we missing?
Just seeing all the other attribute use cases that.
Yeah, we can figure, but we still need one more thing to show the all those use case that belongs to, then should be the
Rectangle.
rectangle is a boundary, yes. So we need to add the boundary. If one to get one to yes, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So because it's possible, we have multiple system, and for those system we have different use case. But in right here, so we have the maybe we call it the oral system here and they but in the library actually it involves maybe other system maybe controlling. So for this one, maybe we only care about the end user will be the user customer in the library. But for others, we will maybe rentable, buyable, sometimes magazine, whatever. So they will need to upload after we purchase it or borrow it from the publisher, right? Maybe when the publisher have a new list, so we maybe have another new system. Yeah, so another use case. So if we have different use case, then we need to just like create a new one, and then we have different use case, and like this, maybe we have some like new. Yes. So anything. So when we draw, so it's possible. If I ask you like only focus on this part, then draw that. Or like if I want to get that like, whole picture involved, then you can include it by library, including the systems, and then other party will be involved in the system. So we can join this way. So here's will be the like search for box, borrow box, return box, add box, remove box, update box, view the borrow box over here, and then we will draw the user diagram. So right here, we have some possible like classes with ISBN. So always I check the code of all these like user name, and then librarian. Maybe here we will inheritance as same as user, but we have some other maybe the staff ID property. Yeah, also we have a borrow record. So if I ask you for, so here's called the use case diagram. And if we ask about class diagram, will be the one similar to the database, the ER diagram. So will be that with the attributes. In the assignment, just need to know use diagram, draw this one. Class diagram will be the ER diagram with all the attributes. No, just the that one is okay. Yeah, because we didn't yet cover the use case, so just yeah. But the next assignment coming soon will be the include the use case diagram. Okay, so right here. And when we always like create the documents, just let you know, okay, we need to have some introduction to describe the system and then what the requirements, functional and non-functional. So if we go back to the case study, if we use, let's say Spotify, Spotify will keep going like in the next lab to design. And right here, we have some like functional requirements. And maybe we have here maybe Spotify. So what are the possible end user from here? We can be user, or like we can say artist. Like last time we discussed the artist, or also we have the admin, because for the app EL diagram or function, we only think about the end user because we not really think about like the admin, how we handle it. Sometimes we do like in the company like Spotify, the company itself, how do they monitor and maintain the service, right? Or sometimes maybe the user need to change the user account information, then we need to think. So all these like when we draw the use case and then EL diagram, then so when we go into the use case like this, when we draw, then we will involve more like user in it. So it's not only, but sometimes when we design, so mainly we are facing to the end user more, like using, but not the internal. But when we include the system, involve the internal user, that means the some customer service or like admin in the company, then we need to add those functions to them. Later we will keep going, like using the Spotify as a case study, and then think about the whole system design also more like in system way, but that one is like in documents, yeah, paperwork. Okay, and I think it's almost the time for today's class, and that's it. But so far for the assignment, do you all have a question? Well, I think it's easy, right? Just draw the ER diagram and that's it.